Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand, guys. Welcome to my channel, Travel Nomad. Welcome, guys. My channel, I'm talking about traveling around the world. I'll talk to financial freedom, location freedom, how important it is. I left my 9 to 5 job and start traveling the world, especially Southeast Asia. I just start right now. I'm in Thailand, Pattaya, and I'll show you how beautiful, nice place I am right now. It's Pattaya Naklua area, and you can see so many wonderful things, man. This video, stay with me, guys. Look at that. This place absolutely amazing. If you like to take picture, video, whatever. I just checking the area. I've been many times here. Sometimes I come for a whole day. Sometimes I come for swimming. This area is absolutely, if you come with your family friend, it's better. Or you can come alone, no problem at all. Look at this, how beautiful it is, and people enjoying their time and take a picture. And most of actually tourists here is a local people or Russian or Chinese, most of. Look at that. This whole area genuinely absolutely amazing, as you can see, man. This is the Pattaya icon, as you can see there, you see? Come on, guys. It's very hot day. Wonderful hot day. Walking around, checking the local people, checking the beach. You see here, man. You can sit here, enjoy a coconut. They have a food. Lots of family here. Absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely wonderful. You can sit here in balcony. You can enjoy the whole Pattaya view, bro. In balcony, in condo, and you enjoy the view, bro. Thailand, one thing I do, walking, too much walking at night. Walking is daytime, talk to many people, but when I hold the camera, I try to avoid to talk people, because you don't know, some people genuinely don't want to talk with camera, but you don't never knows. I don't bother much people, okay? Only thing I do, take the raw video. I don't edit, I don't do anything, just take the raw experience and posting TikTok and YouTube. Then people can genuinely feel what the mean of a real life experience about Thailand. How look like walk around in Thailand, how look like its nightlife, how look like daytime walk around, how look like Thailand beach, the food experience, everything. You see, absolutely crazy. This is outdoor massage. Shop is still not open. You see. You can get high quality body massage. They have many type of massage. Every day I do at least 1 hour massage, man. Very cheap. Only $6-7, bro. $6-7, 1 hour massage. This massage actually better than professional massage, to be honest. If you massage in America, Australia, 1 hour $120. 1 hour $120. Same thing you can get only $6-7. Come on, man. If you genuinely complain Thailand is expensive, you'll complain it's not legitimate. I'll already show you, man. You can get a high quality service, cheaper price. But I'm not saying Thailand is cheap. No, everything is not cheap, bro. Everything is not cheap. Something, if you choose a international brand, international drink, international whiskey, if you come in Thailand, you want to spend time with Russian woman, some kinds of celebrity, you have to spend money, bro. But if you come in Thailand, enjoy the local house, local condo. You see, man, $250 to $300. The condo I show you, this is $250 to $300 only. 1 month, not one night, 1 month. How cheaper, man? Yes, that's why I say everything is not cheap. You have to choose which one suitable for you. See my Arab guy, they enjoying life here, man. Absolutely amazing. See. Oh, it's not easy. How happy this couple sleeping here, bro. Real love, real people. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wonderful city. Some people are sleeping in beach. They most probably they have a mental problem. Yeah. One thing is very important. Thailand is extremely safe country, brother. Extremely safe country. So hopefully guys enjoy my video. I'll show you some interesting thing as well next time in next video. If you guys enjoy my video, subscribe please and follow me in TikTok. Stay safe, stay humble, help each other, enjoy life. That's what I can say. Guys, bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.